Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
No be we no dey make this list. If person make this list for una now, una go dey vex. E no good. Why you dey put life for people head? You want me everybody come dey come and baby. Abeg people wey their name dey this like abeg mona no come out. Abeg una abeg mona see me for me down. Come still dey make a video. They talk say no be me everywhere yaga. Esunya. They no want me Facebook quiet, me everybody they doing. They just want yaga. Abeg mona no come out because of me. Please, I'm begging you guys. Una no dey. Me no dey. I no be vice chair lady. The movie no be president.
Hello my people, now well done. Now welcome back again to Edo Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. How on day, other side, I hope say everybody dey okay, everything dey okay. If not, so make we give thanks to God Almighty. Now that one did there because Baba got too good. Without him, we know if we do anything. Now be waiting there. Now give us this day where they live. So now they give us the blessings, everything we be say we tell they live, we tell they cherish ourselves. Even not so make we twirl for them, make we praise them again. Now so once again, before not forget this station I do Tafia Amibo YouTube channel. You dey YouTube, you dey Facebook, you dey Twitter, you dey Instagram. Here and the same name Edo Tafia Amibo. And so it be. So the video of today, now from Monica. You get me? So Monica, I like say people accuse and say now she make that list. Una know the list where they talk now. That una Magbane do list. So people they accuse and say that she make the list. You get me? So and she can come and say no be she make any list, you know. And then the list. So before I start, I just talk the list the way they arrange them. They say chief. They say grand patron. They say now chief Omede, which is you understand what I mean? They say the president now Eddie Idahosa, which is the Murphy. You get me? The Murphy, the social media president, yeah. They say the vice president na Monica Ambrose. They say the secretary na Ivie. They say member na Fei Olaye Bright. They say another member again na Mila Akim. They say another member again na Susie. They say another member again na Mama Efe. So in fact, so on and so on. I don't feel just name all that. I don't feel because it's many. You get me? So, but now so people will write and talk. But nah. People they claim say na Monica write them or na the Monica write them or na the Magbane don't members na the write them. Because everybody don't know say one club they now with a new form. The club they very powerful. They within Europe. The name na Magbane do Club of Europe. You know. Now so not be say they do any advert or promotion. Now so now the news. So you get me? So they say that these people now and they make this list where you come out. So now I made this lady come out, Monica. She can't say no, not be she, and not be any of them. You get me? So they say because me for the one that say okay, these people will be saying give paper. Now no paper where they talk now. So I talk that place rich here. So I know where stand for that. They say people when they give for that say I bet they give paper. They say why they give the paper because maybe they want that says then. So Monica can't clear now. They say that people will be say. They support Yoro Mose. Although I know as things be in a saga, not be as me to call her, so not be saying Monica take column at all. Monica call her in a different way, in a different format. She call her with other names. You get me? So I be waiting there. And then another one just did it. So Monica can't begin to explain. Although she talk very, very light. Like when I mean like she talk silently, you get me? But I see where she did. Maybe she did work. Or maybe she did where other, maybe where members of the corporation day or staff of corporation day or whatever. But she talk very, very, you know, see that person will be saying no one talk loud because me others know here. Whether she did school or she feel they study anything. You get me? But I don't know. But I know say she know the comfort of her home. She know the house. And I be waiting there. But so in any which way at all, make we just do now, make we join Monica. Abi? Make we join her, make she by herself explain. Because this one will be say people they talk saying that they write this thing now because the news they broke they go rather than rumor or column. say they just they broke the go saying that they but they have made this list and this list saying that the right hand and first the year say some members of this thing say they talk say not be the right hand and Monica constantly come out by herself now say no not be she right hand. Say all those positions where they put all these members of the this way they name and the position where they give them, they say no, not be so it be. But she not talk say she not talk say like she not bring how the position be, but say, they say she say this list so where they go on where they spread they go, so she say not be the right hand, not be she right hand. You get me? So now be waiting there. In fact, make we just join Monica and make we hear from the horses smart as people they speak English, they talk. So my people, I thank them so much and may God continue to bless every one of you. Now, bye bye.
Yahuwah, nuana gbogbo me o. Yahuwah, nuana heko me o. Present Adam. Yahuwah, nuana zolo me o. Ave present Adam. Ivo gang, ave tio me ivo gang. Ivo people, ave tio me ivo people. Hello Nancy. How you doing? I see you. You are first to come in. Yay! Good morning. Yes, we are still morning. We are almost 12. If I need my, me a singer for English. Me my Nancy for the year, Jerry. Food we are no shop. They not go see for my mato. Food we are no eat. They not go see for my mato. Something we I no do, they say na me do amo. Something we I no right, they say na me do amo. Bad friends, bad presenters, they call people bad presenters. So bad gang, they call people evil gang. Go me why? Now they oh we be evil gang. Now they oh we be evil gang like gang. My lovable, amiable people, how you doing? Good morning. See, when I see this list, we are worried so I laugh. I laugh. My God. The list sweet oh. The list fine. Now only Vera what I go say but remember why now. Now no say Vera na our first daughter. Correct picking. Now they miss so now no Vera too sweet. She's a very sweet lady. That's why she get husband. She's respectful. She's very nice. You know. Okay, you get me more. I bet me I read something for you. My people, I just now. Somebody just sent me this list where I want to read so. Mona the year. They say Mona year. He say Uma Gbanedo divided club. Then they hear the members where they inside. He says she formed the grand patron. Eddie Murphy the House President. Monica Ambrose Vice President. Ivienivie Secretary. Efe Ibrahim member. Milaki member. Susie member. Mama Efe Mama Efe member. Princess Maggie member. Mama Boy member. Precious Meg member. Lovely member. Ivie Rio member. Rosie Rosa Remember, there is a Vera Bontrowe. Remember. My people, I beg. All this never arise so. Nobody there. I know they will. I know be vice president for there. Eddie Murphy, I'm very sure he know also be president for there. Ivie no be secretary. I don't know why una they write this type of thing. They say na another Umagbane do the first one we fair day where all those big people dey America this thing they even use them for politics that day. No be Umagbane do for Mama Milan no be Milan King Umagbane do with they open yesterday. Now Umagbane do with they open long time ago. Now remember all those old video presenter. You get a time where they call that time don't take that time get partner. We can't say no. We know they do. Now those ones so I beg this list to write on. You be mad person. Why would they share fake news for social media? It's not good. Oh, you understand? It's not true, my lovely people, my amazing people. I don't know why you guys like fighting. I don't like it. Okay? No. When they talk this thing, joke. Now just they turn out to read. If I the Murphy come and say, no be him doing me, say no be me doing. Why you still the feel say now we doing now? We take the word now. Which power we get like that? You don't understand. In as much as when I say, good morning, my lady, they we all run man for your sake. Very soon, those are poisoning the heart of people against you shall erase shame and this. Amen. Thank you. Oh, it's Rosie, hardworking woman. Thank you. You understand? Okay. You understand? No be we no they make this list. If person make this list for una go the verse. Eh? It's not good. Why you they put life for people head? You want me everybody come and baby. I beg people where their name did this. I beg mona not come out. I beg una beg mona see me for the down. Constantly they make a video. They talk say no be me everywhere yaga. They no want me Facebook quiet me everybody they doing they don't want yaga. I beg mona not come out because of me. Please I'm begging you guys. Una no day. Me no day, I no be vice chair lady. The movie no be president. We no day, I beg. What did they call una for? I don't know whether una no really know. Hey, hatred the go way me say. They say they call una. Me too, I go ask. Make I forfeit tell una because we can't be like so una head no correct. Una no fit ask person. What una call me for? What happen? Una just the record. Nobody makes sense. Me go ask for una say I beg because they say na me who be the people being that I be who I be I pass all of una no na that one the pay una okay because I get sense personal so I come waka here waka there waka but I no waka loss so now I can't get information say the reason why they call una say all of una where they do video, they support Igbo side chick for Paris. You understand? Say, they make them call una. And if you really see this, all of us where you put in name, yeah, we know they do that video. Now, una where they put in name, now all of una they do. Una say, see, I ba me we boni day, me tai woteme, one way coin very good. Yahweh the right thing. Me no get time where I take the against her, but at the same time, I know also they pay a war. You understand? Because it's not by money for Edo State. You know rich, you know even rich half of. You know even rich, you know rich me. Me, I know even go describe other people. You know rich me. Not to talk of other people. Not buy money for Edo State. No. Don't be by money. Now by character, your integrity, your reputation. You understand? You no fit go dey share 14 million for Edo State, and where you for share only your village. You no come Egon, you no come Papa village. You see, you cannot take care of everybody. Now your side you go do. But that one no mean say me person cost una papa, you go dey give una food, una say agbon phone. But not be me doing why you not tag you why go wa ama bi warokpa say omo dan wa hin. Wa meti no take bu wa manya Monica. Ina ya no tag you one never but fear kun le luwa. So this list, I bet my lovely people, mona cancel. All this one won't they know they inside them. If I brother not come my brother, who you are me. So for this list where they be saying all of us we good for social media and be this week on our name not the inside because in my way video then he support Igbo side chick say I'll support you now you good part. We be say in short palace they say can't do something no one go they go do something for it's not nice. So it not be my enemy I keep saying it but she have to do what Edo people ask her to do. The money was donated by a follower and not from my pocket, you see. And me, money we I get is my own pocket. If I can't say my follower join, no say we'll fit fence Edo State. So you see. So, my lovely people, God bless you. You say I should start insulting. Yeah. Thank God the person don't put on great face for you. May you take no, say that thing where you talk is very annoying. Do you know the insult they are giving me for what I know nothing about? You just come and be chatting. I know nothing about how many videos you want me I do to TikTok say I know nothing about. But all the same, be that I be better picking and not be like them. I don't go ask question. No be Mama Milan or Magbanedo. Now another elderly people Magbanedo. Now they do. Okay? So if you not reach there, if you like, no go. If you reach there, they say representative from the palace will be there. May you take no, say I really go ask. And I'm not against you guys. I love you guys. You guys are my sisters. I don't have power to do this. So if you are thinking I did this, maybe say you fool. You don't get it. Okay? So let me read the list of good people on social media to you. Because now all of us name na put for you. Now we be the good people because now our name not there. Chief, great chief, high chief, honorable chief, whether I like it or not, small but mighty, the great chief of Uselu Anwasoba, one chief of Mede, of social media, the Nina or Babedoin. Then the second person there is great, my lovable, amiable, social media president, the great man, the man that stood for human trafficking and Central must stop, the father of everybody. If he beat you, not fair, but he's a very nice man. It's no other person. Edimofi Idahosa. Yes, you are a great president of social media. We love you. The other person there is Akonodame Vesia. Ekonove Noriesingo, the Owokan Bruce, the Monica, the Ugbori one of social media, the Amamiao, the Owokan Oboy Wine Gwini. It's no other person. Monica Ambro Boho Ninje Awena Tiri Ogoma Tireo. Is no other person there. The third person in the house is Ivie, the ebony queen, the last speaker, the egogo de lo there, the omonowe nevo no kere one. Ivie one of his swag no rotere or struck. Eri oveje okbiak bidigbidi. Oga disgwagwa ya. Okbiani Eboma we fit drive all the single mothers enter house, come marry them. He is no other person. He is Efei, Bright, Olaye, the husband to all single mothers in Europe. He is no other person there. The Mama Milan, the Mama Milan, Oh my God, the one wey fit disgrace one of our lady like that, he disgrace her, pieces her. Almighty audio, he turn am to rubbish. He is no other person. Is Mama Milan Akin. Just come to social media, he don't already become a friend to all the Inogie, all the Ikalade, Ninya over social media. Yes, so if you know road, you go know us. He is no other person. If you don't know this name for social media, you are a learner. He is the woman. He know the high talking. He they talking. Boy. He is no other person. Mama Susie, why? Person there and say, if I lie on you, go Brigadier like bring and scatter them. Ever since their life has never been the same again. No other person there. Oh my God, the woman I love so much. He know they talk much, but if he make move, you go talk. He go turn you to killing fry and chopping it. He is no other person. He's a great president, the founder, the CEO. Oh my God, the woman we don't do international business, woman abroad. He is no other person. Now Mama Efe, one of Canada. Eriove ijeve ba. Hiu ijeve na akono dame sia ijeve no jeglas wuga ye know the only princess to all the Oba of Benin. Yes, princess we love the palace so much. It's no other person. It's Princess Mankin all the way from Jenny. Eriove ijeve na. Hell, Baba, ije no inlele do na wedo, ije ne weme etafia vena ya gion rio ya ta. Ye no ije mena ewe saga ye me no ye saga ya okian oto. Opo ko nije uga ye mi gio surprise we. Ye no ge mama boyi wan. Oba be bon. This one my personal person, my PP1, the woman we sabi, the sheshe get mama, the only sheshe get mama we remain standing, the rest don't they sit down, now only she still they stand. It's no other person. Precious man, the CEO, the owner, the founder of Prenat Kitchen, one of social media, the only woman we first start to the cook, the rest now they follow on. Hey, the barrister, the woman where they talk and just the way it be, the only woman where know they do tribalism, the only woman where make us love Asian people, the ambassador of Asian land is no other person, Barrister Lovely, Erikioya, na Netherlands the base. Now, so he stayed there. Another princess, Ivie, Erio, one of Jenny. This woman, he know the key corn for goats, he know the key goat for corn, or na food for her. Now, God, I go bless you. Now, so he stayed there. Our great Peking daughter, lovable one, favorite one, our favorite Vera TV. Who don't know Vera TV? You know, be Monica fan. If you love Monica, you must love Vera. Now she did there. The one where the say Ogajere original demudia pakati. Ona demudia kweke. If you say you no go know, say don't born plenty children. But if you say you say na small girl. Now she be that great Vera TV. Now we be the only people way better for this social media. The rest, may God help them. Okay? Thank you so much. Now I join the club. Wow. Thank you, my people. Bye.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.